Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie, and if you're new here on this channel, we talk momming, adult life, regular life, lifestyle. Just a hodgepodge of any and everything. Lately I've been doing a lot of like home decor stuff and showing people my home and how I decorate, and I just wanted to come on here and do kind of like an apartment update. A couple months ago I got an apartment and I did an apartment video and you guys seem to really like it, so I'm gonna do a fall edition, like show you guys what I've done since I got it the first time together, because I've changed a lot of things, and also just show you guys a couple of home decor items that I bought. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is make me some coffee because I am catching the itis. I just ate that Pollo Tropical Cuban press sandwich, like the original Cuban sandwich, and some apple empanadas, which is bomb if you guys want to try something new. Delicious, but it's got me kind of tired, so let's make some coffee so we can get started on this little apartment tour. I don't remember where I started last time, but I think this is a good point as any, so we're gonna start in the kitchen. My coffee is almost done. I'm using this pumpkin spice from Coffee Mate creamer. Hopefully it tastes good. I've never had it before, but let's start. So my favorite part about the kitchen is my wall bar. I think that was such a good idea for me to do. I mean, it's so cute. I got all the shelves from IKEA. At first I only had 2 shelves, I think you guys saw in my last video, but I added a third one. I am still waiting on a couple of liquor bottles to come in, so when they do, all those blank spaces at the bottom will be filled up. But I got the Post Malone. I know I'm late, but I didn't know this was a thing. So Post Malone and Snoop Dogg both have wines, so I bought both. And then I'm waiting on Drake's whiskey to come in, and then it'll be kind of like a, what's it called, you know, hip-hop themed bar. So the glasses are a combination of CB2 and Target. I think these ones are from CB2, these ones are from Target. The candles are from Amazon. Amazing. Amazon. The bar accessory set is from Target. And let's see, this pepper shaker is from Target. Most of the little teeny tiny accessories are from Target, except for the Buddha is from Ross, and the little tambourine is from what's that place called, TJ Maxx. I have this little beetle, gold beetle thing that's actually a bottle opener. I thought it was pretty cool, so I had to have her, and she is from TJ Maxx as well. And what else is new? I also bought those 2 Moroccan vibe little holders. They kind of hold just a hodgepodge of things that I don't really want to be seen, from TJ Maxx. And then my hookah is from Amazon. I also have some updates on the countertops. I kind of moved some stuff around, but I know you guys already know my knife set. But the utensil holder I bought from TJ Maxx, and also the little butter holder, which honestly, if you don't have a butter holder, nah, I have to turn y'all around for this one. If you guys do not have a little butter holder that keeps your butter like room temperature, get you one. Like that shit has changed the game for me, so get you one. They have a lot of them at TJ Maxx, so, and they're cheap. I think that one was like $3. On this side, we have obviously my coffee, which is probably getting cold, but I don't care because I don't really drink hot coffee. I tried to froth it, but it took too long. Anyway, this little holder is from Target. Sorry, if I keep pausing, it's because I'm trying to remember where things are from. I forget where stuff is from. But yeah, the little milk holder is from Target. This is new. It kind of holds like my coffee stuff. And that's from Target as well. And the little milk frother is from Amazon. It was like actually pretty cheap, so love that. This hers cup is from Walmart of all places. I never go there, but I finally went. I rarely go there, let's just say that, but I went and I found that and it's been amazing. I love this cup. I also try to do a lot of home decor, like fall decor right here. So I got this little elephant like little holder. It was like $3 from TJ Maxx, and I just kind of use it like when I'm washing dishes, if I want to take my jewelry off, my ring. Well, I don't have a ring, but not a real ring anyway. But rings or my watch off, then I'll just put it in there and then wash my dishes and then be good to go. I don't know if you guys can see the plants very well, but both of these were from Target, and I just think they have like a nice little theme to them. Like they look pretty fall to me. It was in their little fall like section, so I got them and I love them. Let's see, I also remade this little corner right here, and it's, I think, looking really fall. I got this from Zara. This little geode is from Marshall's. This is actually from my mom's house. I don't know, she had this and she wasn't using it, so I took it. I got the Be Still picture from TJ Maxx. I got these bunny tails, which are so in right now. Got that bunch from Etsy. And then a clear tissue box from Amazon. This little holder is also from Amazon. We have candles, pumpkin from TJ Maxx, and the small one is from Publix. It's actually a real pumpkin. And the gold little bowl is also from TJ Maxx. Now, once we get out of here, we come to my living room area and have, you know, a pretty good space, but as you can tell, it's a lot different than when I first showed this apartment tour. So let's start over here. Those two vases I'm really proud of. I absolutely love them. I got them from TJ Maxx, but they feel super heavy and they're like cracked and they just kind of look real vintage and like, I don't know, they just look real. So love those. I got the flowers from Hobby Lobby. I actually copied it from this girl that I follow on Instagram. I can't remember her name, but if I remember, I'll put it on the description box down below. She also has a YouTube channel and she's like an actual home designer, so you guys actually should really follow her. But anyway, this I got from TJ Maxx. I just love like the contrast of the white with the greens and the browns. It's really pretty and I think it kind of goes well. But then we go to right here, and this actual space I don't love. I think I'm gonna paint this iPod holder black, and maybe that will make it match more with the rest of the space, but it's just kind of being utilized to hold my iPad, and I just thought it would be a good place for it because it's kind of like where all the other electronics are. You guys already know my favorite TV console thing, so don't really have to tell y'all this is from IKEA, but just so you guys know, it's from IKEA. So this is another space that, sorry, I'm trying to fix myself here. This is another space that I absolutely love. Like, I love what I did right here. I just think it's a whole vibe. I got the circle mirror from Target. The circle, everything here is actually pretty much Target. The side table is from Target. The basket is from Target. The vase is from Ross. And again, the same Hobby Lobby flowers from the other side. And then I just got this lamp in a couple weeks ago, and it's from IKEA. So my theme for this place was kind of like Lion's Den, so kind of furry, which I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, I need a couple more furry pillows, but I think I did good. So the fur throw is from Target, and then the two light pillows are from TJ Maxx, and then the middle pillow is all from Home Goods. So, and I already had this throw. It's from TJ Maxx a long time ago, and I just thought it kind of went well because the flowers are like reds and orange and stuff, so I just put it on there. And then I have a picture of my daughter, and she's so cute. She's so cute. So I have that, and then this is another little container from my mom's house. And then I got these little coasters from TJ Maxx. So that is all for the living room. Now let me show you guys my little office area, which I switched a couple of things around here as well. So I have now a throw for my office, which these, if you haven't bought one from Target, these Sherpa throws, I'm telling you, they are so comfortable. They're amazing. Like, I bought 2 of them. You'll see the other one in just a second, but them things are really comfortable. But yeah, so I already had this little box. I think I got it from Amazon. I've just been putting pictures of me and Kehlani and family in here, just like a memory box. And then I have this cell phone holder and this clock I got from Marshall's, which actually works. Like, you can put batteries in, but I haven't done that yet because I'm lazy and I can't really tell time like this. So I was like, oh, it's not really needed. I also got this little like affirmation thing from TJ Maxx, and I think that's it. All the things that you guys did not see in my office, and we can go to my bedroom, which I'm proud of the bedroom, but I don't know. I wish I had found like a comforter set. That's what I was really going for, but could not find one. So I kind of made my own little comforter with the throws that I love. So yeah, this is the bedroom. And I still need like a little something for this space right here that's more fall, but I haven't found anything yet. I don't remember if this was in my last video, but it's like clothes rack, and it has like I can put shoes in it as well. I love this thing. I got it from Amazon. It was like $30, 26 something. I actually originally wanted to get the one from Target, but it sold out, so I feel like this one was like the next best thing that turned out to be the best thing. I use this every day, so it just holds clothes. I don't know what else to say about it. But anyway, to this side I have this holder thing. It just holds a hodgepodge of things I don't really want to be seen, and that is from TJ Maxx. And these two vases are from IKEA, and I just put like some bunny tails in this one just to try and make it look kind of sexy and fly. Sorry, my bra is all in the way, but I mean, I can move these. I was trying to make, I am going to do like a fall outfit haul. So when I do that, be on the lookout. It'll feature those bras. Anyways, I already told you guys about this, but I got this from IKEA, and the balls were also from IKEA. This is from IKEA too. It's just like some coasters. On this side, the newest additions are this little clock I got from TJ Maxx, and this tissue holder that I got from Amazon. But I think it really makes that space look really, really good. Before it just kind of looked empty, so I'm really happy I found those two items. Now for my bed, which I am so proud of how this turned out, but the brown covers are actually like silk pillow covers. I don't know if it's real silk or fake silk, but anyway, I got them from Amazon. And then the black body pillow cover I got from Target. And these two pillows in the front are from Home Goods. And this is the other Sherpa throw that I was telling you guys about. And I got that from Target as well. And the nude one of these is from TJ Maxx. On this side, we just have my little colander, I think it's called. Like, it just holds water for if you're thirsty in the middle of the night. Got that from CB2. And I mean, not Crate and Barrel. I don't know if they're the same thing. Somebody tell me, are they the same? I have no idea. But I have another bunch of those bunny tails. I got that bunch from Michael's. And then the vases from TJ Maxx. That geode is from Etsy. And then my little black vase with the green mushroom looking things, I don't know what they're called. They're from Ross, and the painting is also from Ross. And that is it for my bedroom. Now I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. I'm not really gonna talk about the bathroom because nothing changed. It's the same. I haven't done anything new to it at all. I just think it's actually, my bathroom goes great for both summer, all the seasons, so I didn't feel like I needed to really change anything. But here y'all go. This is the bathroom. Just a basic as basic comes. I still love my shower curtain, and I still love my rug down here. So alright guys, that's it for the apartment tour. Please like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what I should add, if I should add. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.